This Align Right Realty property video is presented by MariaECoutinho. Great opportunity for this two-family being built. Will feature two-car attached garage with driveway, second floor formal living room and dining room with eat-in kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath. Second floor will have access to first floor unit laundry, half bath, and living area. Third floor with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry, formal living room, and dining room. This property boasts 4,060 SQF living space and a 5-year tax abatement. For more information, review the details below or contact MariaECoutinho at 908-764-4704.